Welcome to Whispers. Wishy. Eh? Wishy like just imagine. We can go wishy la mama Rio. Governor Masari explains why kidnappers prefer Nigeria to Mali and other countries in the Sahelian region. Sahelian region. Let's find out. Let's find out. Governor Aminu Masari of Katsina State has explained why kidnappers prefer carrying out their activities in Nigeria and not in Mali and other countries in the Sahelian region. In an interview on Channel Television, the chairman of the Northwest Governors Forum stressed that Nigeria is economically attractive to kidnappers in the Sahel region of Africa. So they've just discovered Nigeria. Okay. Masari also stated that these kidnappers have been targeting people in Nigeria because of the country's resources. This is unbelievable. In this 21st century. Okay. Instead, look at 2015 for instance. You can't go to the church. You can't go to the mosque. If I travel from Kaduna to Abuja, it will take 5 hours. And 3 of those hours are for checkpoints. There are at least 30 checkpoints along the highway. Is the situation the same today? It is not. Yes, there are kidnappers, there are bandits around. But look at the whole world and look at the position of Nigeria in the Sahelian region. Are we not the richest? So, the attraction even for kidnappers to come to Nigeria is there. So the kidnappers, they were slumbering before. They've just woken up. And their target is now Nigeria. Nigeria is the richest. Okay. Okay. Are we not the richest? So the attraction even for kidnappers to come to Nigeria is there. If you kidnap somebody in Mali, where are you going to get thousands? If I kidnap you in Nigeria, I get millions. So all of us will have to rise to the occasion. When we started in 2015 in the Northwest, it was cattle rustling. Gradually, it's now developed into banditry, rape, kidnappings. When all the bandits can steal from the villages along the fringes finish, they moved to the rustling of goats and sheep and even chicken. In my state, the bandits kidnapped 4 relatives of a very senior government officials. When they can't get anything to sustain themselves, they resort to high-profile kidnappings for money in cities and towns. This is something we must work hard to stop. Lenwe. Wow. Yes, girl. Another dumb-ass northern irritant spots on. The reason is because a cow is now ruling us. Someone with no sense of leadership. Can you imagine? This man is supposed to be a northern elite. The northern elites are the ones importing Fulani to cause problems in Nigeria. See how foolish this old man is, none less. A bunch of idiots. I mean, he's one of the elites. I mean, he's speaking for them. He's speaking for them. Wow. This one is further pointing to the fact that crime is emboldening and the government is not doing much to checkmate it. And in the same breath, politically pointing to 2015, let us all remember that Saviour Buhari took over on the 5th in the 5th month of 2015. Can you imagine? How come some of these northern governor elites pass exams during their school days? Not because the system. I beg you. If that is the case, kidnapping will be an everyday thing in America and Dubai now, because they are very rich country. Why so many dumb leaders in Nigeria? They can't make an intelligent statement. Can you imagine? Because Nigeria is very rich. Mumu, senseless political statement. Who invited the invading Fulani kidnappers into Nigeria? Who protects them? Una business. Now una brothers from Fulani nation, they kidnap una northern parasites, bunch of unproductive elements. Can you imagine? The narrative, Abio, thank you. Okay, you two can see that. The narrative being pushed by the governor in this interview is that the kidnappers are not Nigerians. Yet, I have yet to see any arrest and persecution to really confirm this. If anything, the spread of insecurity in Nigeria, especially in the north, only strengthens the argument of poor leadership at all levels of government. If the kidnappers and bandits are non-Nigerians, but from Niger, don't expect any arrest. Buhari's government is the government for the propagation of Niger. Okay. The north destroying the north. Interesting. But the way it is now, they are not only destroying the north, it's spreading to other parts of the country as well. That is what we need to stop. Abi, so we should be happy because kidnappers see something to take from us. Are the northern youth so dumb that they cannot start a protest? Not a peaceful protest. A protest. Don't they know that these elders are killing them and making money at their detriment? It is true the north and south can never get along. They are true parallel lines. Can you imagine what a father is saying? To my surprise, I see the youths online supporting the evil deeds of their fathers. Can you imagine? To think this man was once the Speaker of the Federal House of Rep and a sitting governor. It is sad. It is sad. This man thinks like a cow. It is very sad. The reason is simple. They know we have a clueless leader who does not have the balls to do them anything. Can you Masari or whatever is his name? What's his name? Masari. What's his reason? He said because we are rich. Are we the only rich nation in Africa? Are we the only rich king in the world? Are we not the richest? What richest? Who are the we? Who is he referring to as the we? Which richest? Keep deceiving yourselves. So because they are richest, that is why they are now before they get to Nigeria, did they pass other countries? Did they pass Ghana? Why are they go? Because you people are in the know, you are sharing it with them. Now Nasabi. Maybe we don't leave your country for Nigeria. Emma one Nigeria, Yoruba nation all the way. So guys, there you have it. So the reasons, according to Masari, the reason why kidnappers prefer Nigeria to Mali and other countries in the Sahelian region is because they know that if they kidnap in Nigeria, they will get millions. So, wow, we are the animals, they are the hunters. We are the animals, they are kidnapping. Okay, it's all good. We shall see. Keep feeding the monster. The monster that you all created will consume all una. Until I come your way again. Bye.